One of the accessories that I'd like to focus on is the trunk support. The trunk supports are height and width adjustable. They have the ability to swing out for loading and unloading, and the ability to swing in for folding the unit. To adjust the width and the height of the trunk support, loosen the knob in the rear. This will allow you height and width adjustment. Once you reach the desired height and width, simply tighten the knob. And also the quick release for the swing in out feature is also located in the rear. By pressing the button, you're able to swing the trunk support in or out. And once your user is in a proper position, use the chest strap to secure the user.